Hello everyone, how are you all? I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where we are going to learn how to make some unique crafts. So here we have made the shape like this and pattern like this and then make the fins and all. Your fish is ready. Isn't it beautiful? Now take a conical shape like structure, make a cone out of it, paste the ears and tails and then the eyes and then put it like this, and isn't it looking pretty? Now let's see, press the clay inside and then paste it in this manner, make the pattern like this, and here's to it. Isn't it looking so cute, tortoise? Now take the plastic gloves like this and then just color it further in this manner as we have done. And now on a plastic sheet of paper you have to do like this, and you can definitely play with it. Keep on proceeding further, make a zigzag pattern like this, interlocking the paper in this manner and then paste it further in this way. Your cute bunny rabbits are ready to go. Now again take a sheet of paper, fold it like this from top and bottom from both the sides and then cut it. Give it a shape like this, and here you have to make eyes and a smiley thing, and here it is. Isn't it pretty amazing? Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we gonna make next. Here's to it. You need to cut it from the bottom and then you need to give it a shape like this, and this is pretty cool. Isn't it looking damn amazing? Now just wrap it further and here's to it. Just with the help of your fingers you need to put it like this and your umbrella is ready. Looking super cool, right? Now take the bottle of a plastic, take the holder and then you need to just make a hole on the bottle cap and then just make it further. Now here's to it. You need to take the bubble wrap and then paste the branches and then you need to paste some clays over it to make it look a fruit tree. Isn't it looking damn amazing? Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Just wrap a paper like this and then you need to just give it a folds and creases in this manner. What are we going to do next? You just need to fold it further and now make a beautiful lovely scene. Now isn't it looking beautiful? Now let's see what are we gonna do with this black sheet of paper. You need to just give it a beautiful lovely stripes like this and your feathers are ready. Pretty amazing. Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Just roll the ball in this manner, make a pattern like this and your caterpillar is ready. Looking damn cool, right? Now what are we going to do? Just wrap your paper in this manner, make it a shape like this and then get the ears and make the eyes and then the face like this. Color it further so as to be cute bunny rabbits. Now take a designer sheet of paper, fold it from the top and bottom from the sidewards as well and then give it a fold like this to get a beautiful lovely shape in this manner. Pretty cool, right? Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Just fold your paper in this way and then press it further with the help of your fingers and your butterflies are ready. Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Make a zigzag shape pattern in this manner and then get it folded further. Isn't it looking damn pretty? Just fold it in this manner regarding this, and here's what are we going to do. Paste it from the top and here it is ready. Looking damn amazing. Now let's see. Here we have taken circular sheets of paper and then with the help of your string you need to make it further. Make the shapes and arrows like this further so as to get an amazing beautiful result. Isn't it looking damn pretty? Thank you guys for watching the video.